Did you post a video on LinkedIn and you just realized that the captions are wrong? Don't delete the video. LinkedIn actually let you edit the captions after you have posted it. Now I will show you how you can edit the caption of your video. So first of all, you need to open your post, and now I am just getting from notification so I can find my post easily. And now you just need to click on your post, and after this you just need to click on three dots. Now I want to show you, this is my client review in a video format, and now you can see that. So after this you just need to click on three dots, and then you just need to click on edit caption. But keep in mind, you cannot delete the video. If you will delete the video, and then your post will be totally deleted. So you can change the caption. And now I want to show you, for example, 6 to 8 minutes, you want to change this line, you can change according to the requirement. And if you want to delete from here, you can also delete this line. And now different lines are available. You can choose all those lines according to your requirement. And if you want, there is no caption on your video. So from here you can also remove the caption of the video. You just need to click on remove the caption. And after the adjustment of every line according to your requirement, you just need to click on done. So in this way you can change the caption, or you can remove the caption of your video according to your requirement. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you understand how to change the caption of your video.